Hi, good day. I am Marion Michael, and I'll be presenting our project about the conservation of offshore reef systems. So our study is finding effective management strategies to enhance resilience of Upper Reef Natural Park in Sablayan Occidental, Mindoro. Large offshore reefs such as the Upper Reef Natural Park experience severe natural disturbances despite its distant proximity from chronic human impacts. Its benthic structure have been observed, and hard coral cover presents an uneven but consistent decrease in cover across the monitored stations. In light of these events, the management of large oceanic reserves has remained a challenge. The Smart Corals project was conceptualized to meet these challenges and aid in preserving one of the country's biodiversity hotspots, the Upper Reef Natural Park. The goal of the project is to generate a long-term database on key community parameters of the reef to better understand the system in support of crafting management strategies that are cost-effective in achieving conservation targets. The phase of a projected long-term study has three important are community monitoring, assisted rehabilitation, and capacity building. For community monitoring, a recovery model is currently being developed which is based on comprehensive benthic community and reef fish monitoring activities. This performance of oceanic marine reserves in the face of disturbances. This will have important applications in prioritizing and drafting management interventions to improve the overall resilience of the reef complex. Component of the project is assisted rehabilitation. Activities have become an important part of good management practices to facilitate recovery, given that Philippine reefs have gradually degraded through the years. This is the first assisted rehabilitation project in the country that is conducted in a high-energy reef area to aid in the recovery of hard corals and improve local. Finally, to support these undertakings and secure the continuity of effective management, capacity building activities were also conducted under the Smart Corals project. Involved in the protection and operation of the protected area were trained on the use of tools and techniques in the assessment of benthic and reef fish communities. The results of the conduct of monitoring activities presented a slow recovery of hard coral cover following a major disturbance. Meanwhile, the associated fish community remained stable. Results of the substrate stabilization experiment showed notable success with partial binding of the substrate at 18%, which was observed 3 months after its deployment. Binding strength was measured at 8.58 newtons per grams after 8 months. Will be generated, and learnings from these activities will be the basis for future studies to achieve a sustainable and effective management of upper reef. Thank you.